Hope Squad is a peer-nominated program, so students nominate each other as loyal and trustworthy people that they would go to talk to in difficult times. I'm Amy Hoven, and I am a school counselor at Hannah Beardsley, and I'm also a Hope Squad advisor.
My name is Ryan Hoven. I'm a sergeant at the McHenry County Sheriff's Department. I'm currently the commander of our crisis negotiating team. I'm also a member on our peer support team. Our very first course is with the FBI, and we do a week-long course with the crisis negotiating team there. And active listening is basically one of the bases for it. My wife is a school counselor in District 47, so she told me some of the challenges some of her Hope Squad kids encounter, and I thought, is there something my team can do for the Hope Squad?
I had brought up the idea of maybe partnering with our Hope Squad because they provide peer support within our schools. So it would be really awesome if law enforcement could teach those skills to our students. Our hope is that our students take away these skills that they can use as Hope Squad members, but also that they are excited to partner with law enforcement in general. We want to show them that we're both on the same team and we're there for each other.
We all believe in our youth and know that if we come together, there's so many things that we can do when we're not in silos. It's been super exciting to watch that all come to life and see how many people were willing to volunteer, not only their time, but their passions, their expertise, and then even fiscal resources to ensure that we could do this and it would come out as perfectly as possible.